Hey there, home bakers! Ready to dive into the world of sourdough bread? In just 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect loaf. Let's get started. First things first, you need a sourdough starter. If you don't have one, don't worry, making your own is super easy. Mix equal parts of flour and water, let it sit for a few days, and feed it daily. Boom! You've got a starter. Once your starter is bubbly and active, mix it with flour, water, and a pinch of salt. You want a sticky dough, so don't be afraid if it feels too wet. Knead it gently until it's smooth and elastic. Now, let's talk fermentation. Cover your dough and let it rise at room temperature for about 4 to 6 hours. This is when all the magic happens. Flavour and texture are developing right here. After the initial rise, give it a gentle fold, then let it rest for another 30 minutes. This helps strengthen the dough. Shape it into a round loaf by folding the edges into the centre and flipping it seam side down. Place your shaped dough into a floured proofing basket or bowl. Cover it and let it rise again for about 2 to 4 hours at room temperature, or overnight in the fridge for extra flavour. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees, 230 degrees C, with a Dutch oven inside. When your dough is ready, carefully transfer it into the hot Dutch oven. Score the top with a sharp knife to allow it to expand. Bake covered for 20 minutes. Then uncover and bake for another 20 to 25 minutes until it's golden brown. Finally, let your bread cool completely on a wire rack before slicing. Trust me, the wait is worth it. And there you have it. Perfect sourdough bread in just a few simple steps. And remember, guys bake for the win. Take care.